penguins? It's Penguin here.
And Fada.
This is episode 5, our last episode in this series.
The Survival Guide series.
Yes.
Yes.
And today we're going to be building Grandpa Dogadillo.
A large robot that you've seen at the end of all of our previous videos.
Yeah, like waves.
He waves to you. So we're going to start that right away. It is also shown in the MOSS Robotics site, which is exactly where we're getting the information on how to build this.
So that link will be in the description.
Right. So let's get to it, shall we?
Okay.
Okay, so let's get started building Grandpa Dogadillo. First, we'll start with the extended battery. All right, Penguin's got the extended battery. She immerses it in ball bearings to get ball bearings on every piece of it. So she's doing that off camera at the moment. And here we go, fully immersed in ball bearings. So the next step is to attach it to the, what's that piece? Oh, double brain. Thank you. What's that piece called? Double brain. So the double brain will be used to remote control it.
You want it oriented this way so that the little plug-in part is facing this way. And then you want to attach the double brain like so.
All right, so it now has power. So the double brain has power. She puts on some ball bearings, which sometimes roll away, but that's okay. All right. And then after that piece, she's going to put on a piece that is not really being used for its function. It's being used just as a placeholder, I think.
Yes, that's correct.
All right.
This is the mic sensor. And you want the red side facing number 7, which will then end up in this little nook here.
Okay.
Put 2 ball bearings under here. And
all right.
Then we want to get the what's it called? It's called
the light sensor?
Yes, the light sensor. And then we want to have the red part facing a number 8. So that the sensor part is facing out this way. So like that.
All right, so now we move on to the next step, which is going to be a hub.
And so you want the hub to go in this little corner here. And then you want the white side to be facing down like this. And then put ball bearings on it. Like this. Okay. So now the next step is to hold your robot so that 6 and 5 are facing up. And then what you want to do is you want to get your motor, and then you want to attach it to this piece so that when you rotate it up, the arrows are facing this direction going to the left. Like that.
Makes sense.
And then the next step is to get 2 ball bearings on here and then connect this brown side to number 5 right here.
So that is one of those 90-degree pieces.
Yes, the corner pieces.
All right.
And then you're going to want to get your 3, like brace.
3 brace.
Yeah, 3 brace. And then you want to do it like this so that you want to turn it upside down and then place it on like that.
With some ball bearings.
Ball bearings included. And then what you want to do is you want to get your hub and you want it so that the white is facing up right next to your motor, like that.
Makes sense. Put some ball bearings in again.
And then you just essentially want to do the same thing on the other side.
All right, so we'll repeat. We have another motor.
But this time you want the arrows to be facing towards the right under number 3. And then you want to get your corner piece. And then you want to attach onto number 3. Get your hub piece.
Okay.
You want to get your hub piece and put it right in front of the motor. There we go.
Looks like Grandpa Dogadillo is taking shape. This is the bottom half of him, I think.
And then you want to turn him around here and get your 3-piece and put him right here. Make sure you add in those crucial ball bearings.
Nice.
So you want to flip them back over like that. And then you want to get your corner. It's corner. And you want it to orient it this way so that these parts are facing down. And then you want to put it on right on the back of that hub. And put 2 ball bearings on it. And then you're going to want to get a hub and put it so that the white is facing up and place it right on top of that corner so that it looks like this from the top, like that.
And then add 2 ball bearings to the hub.
Yes. Then you want to get a corner and you want to place it right on this side of the hub, like so.
All right, now I think we're going to grab what is called an
axle.
axle.
And then you want to put it right underneath this corner piece that we did earlier. So it should look like this from the side. What we're going to want to do is you want to get 3 wheels. Then you want to put a wheel on this here, this way, so that the little ball's facing up there. You want to put these 2 on so that the ball's a little facing out. So then what you want to do is you want to grab a pivot. You want to orient it like this so that this brown side is facing down, a green side is facing up. You want to put it on number 1. Like that. So we want the little power in plug-in thingy facing up. And then you want to grab a corner piece and you want to put it on like so.
Okay.
Put 2 ball bearings on like that.
Gotcha.
Then you want to get another pivot and you want to orient it so that green is facing up and then brown is also facing down. So like this. So next you want to get a little 2 brace and you want to put it over the little input plug-in place and where these connect right over here. And on top of this, you're going to put a corner. You want to put this on like that.
All right.
So then what we want here is we want a proximity sensor with the sensor facing out and this red part facing down. So then you want to get a long springy.
All right, a long connector guy.
And you want to put it underneath where this red is. Oops. Oh, there we go. And then you want to put it on number 4. Back to this top pivot. And we're going to take a hub. The white side facing this direction, facing left. Like holding it the way I am.
Sure.
Then you want to get a corner.
Another corner.
And you want to attach it right onto this hub.
Okay.
Right like that. Same thing on the other side here. Oh!
All right. Sometimes it happens. There we go. And you just sort of glue it back together. No big deal.
Oh, oh, oh. Ah.
There we go.
You want to put a hub with the white facing in, right on the middle portion there. And then what we want to do is take another long and put it underneath this hub that we just put on there. I'm going to put it on number 6. Take 2 flashlights.
Okay.
Want to put one with the brown side facing this direction. Want to do the same thing on the other side.
And the brown sides are facing in.
Yes. This is little right arm. This goes right over the little springy thingy. On the back here, we want to grab is an arch brace. And what we want to do is you want to put it on these 2 right there. And it won't actually touch the top. It'll just lay there. And so the next step is to get an arched brace and place it right on the base of this last corner. What we're going to do is, we're going to take a 2 and then we're going to place it on these on these two ball bearings in the middle, like that. And then we're going to take the little one. This is a little bit tricky. On these two opposite corners, we're going to put on here, and we're going to put it on here. Oh, we don't want that connect. There we go, like that. And then we're going to put one extra ball bearing on this other corner. Now I'm going to do the same thing on this side. So we want these two edges to be on these ball bearings. Last and final piece. This is on the very front of his face. And it goes right here to make a little nose.
Alright,
Well,
so
now he's done.
it is Grandpa Dogadillo, so let's take a look at him from various angles. So can you like move him around?
Okie dokie.
See if he stays together. He's hard to stay together. So there he is in the front. So this is the Dogadillo that you always see at the end of our videos. And that's how you build him. He's a 42-step robot that uses virtually every single piece in the 5200 MOSS Robotics set. All right, that was Grandpa Dogadillo. Thanks for joining us for the last in our series of the MOSS Survival Guide, which is our trail through the entire MOSS Exo-Fabulotronics 5200 set.
I really hope you enjoyed this series, and we're coming out with another one pretty soon, so you need to stay tuned for that.
Nice. All right, let's have one last look at Grandpa Dogadillo in action. Finger guns.
Pew pew.